welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tolga, and today we're gonna make some Easter eggs baskets because it is Easter feast, and make some for the holidays different. And okay, let's get started. Egg. Cut them. We're gonna cut this up. I cut it now in two pieces, two halves. We're gonna make it in one, just like this. I'm gonna glue them together to make one, just like this. If they are glued together, I want to cut these edges off, make it more finer, and I do it off camera. I glue them together with the glue gun. Now you see it's more round, and we're gonna work this off with this, and I will put here a little bit of glue gun. And I will round and round, just like a basket. I have a napkin here, and cut it in 4 pieces. It was a big napkin, just like this, and I cut it and made 4 pieces out of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this napkin, because napkin is mostly 2 or 3 layers, and I want to pull them out to make one layer. If you find here it is. Okay. It's one layer. See? And then there's also another layer. I want to make the first layer when the print is on it, because I'm gonna need it from the inside of my basket. Here we go. Now we have the first layer where the print is on it. What I'm gonna do is I want to pull this inside to make a fine of the colorful inside, just like this. I'm going to do it perfectly, and I want to glue it with Pot Notch, and I will cut it later. If you this glued, and I will see just like this, just like the inside of the napkin. Okay, let's start it. Okay, it took the pot much. Gonna put a little pot much inside. Pot much is it's a glue and a sealer that have mostly effects on the surfaces. You can use for any kinds of material pot much, and it's easy to use because it's also on glue and also on what I said, a sealer. It's easy to use. What I have is a matte pot much, not glitter or shiny or glossy also. No, it is made. I glue them inside just like this. And what I'm gonna do is I want to tape the napkin slowly, and I would glue it inside my basket. Just like this. I will use a little bit on the other side. On the edges. Pull them slowly over the edge, and I will glue them on the edge. Later, when it's dry, I want to cut them in the shape. Just like this. I can little bit wait to dry. Okay, it's a little bit dry now. You see, I cut the edges off with my scissors, just like this. Inside is dry. You can also use another time, one more time with pot much inside. Make a little bit drier and seal it off for any kind of water or something else. And gonna do that. Do it a little bit slowly because it will see just a little bit white, and when it dry, you won't see nothing. It gives a little bit. Don't worry, it's now a little bit white, just like glue, and it will not stay white. It will dry, and when it dries, it will not take the color white or something. Just don't worry about that. Okay, I glued the inside just like this. And we'll wait when it is dry. Okay. The outside we're gonna do with the glue gun. We'll start here on the downstairs. On the bottom we will start there and glue them just like this and make with the glue round and round. Take a little bit of glue gun. Just a little bit on the edges. Go with the glue gun because it's very hot and you want to not hurt your fingers or burn them. You'll see the shape. I will do all of them round and round off camera. Hold back. This is the bucket. The basket, it is done. I made it strip. I'm gonna glue that on the side. Made my basket complete. Just like this. Okay, this is the final product. I get the one small one, I have one big one. I made two of them. Can you see how it is? They are really great. I have chocolate Easter eggs. Put some inside. You're gonna see how lovely it is. Okay, I love to make this, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and I see you in the next video. Okay, bye.